Our IoT-based project is automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, and we are having the components Arduino Uno, servo motor, IR sensor, jumper wires, hand sanitizer bottle, a simple wire, a 5-volt input, a battery. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on ATmega 328P. It has 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog inputs, and 16 MHz ceramic resonance. Sensor is a simple electronic device that emits and detects IR radiation in order to find out certain objects or obstacles in its range. Motor is used for moving the threading wire back and forth. It has connecting wires. Orange is for signal, red is for positive, and brown is negative. These are the jumper wires. These are used to connect two ends without soldering. We are using two types of jumper wires, male to male and male to female. Simple push hand sanitizer bottle made of plastic. This 5-volt power input that supplies 5-volt power from the battery to the components. This is the simple wire that connects Arduino Uno board and 5-volt power input. This is the battery that provides power supply to the components. Here we took a hand sanitizer bottle and filled it with sanitizer liquid or water, and we attached an IR sensor on top of the bottle to detect the touch. A threading wire is connected at the edge of the bottle to edge of the servo motor, and the servo motor is fixed to the edge of the sanitizer bottle. Now let's see the connections. The out pin of the IR sensor is connected using the yellow jumper wire to the Arduino board of pin number 2. Ground pin of IR sensor is represented by the orange jumper wire that is connected to the ground of the Arduino board. VCC of the IR sensor is represented by the red jumper wire and that is connected to the 5 volts of Arduino board. The orange wire of the servo motor is attached to the black jumper wire which is connected to the pin number 3 of Arduino Uno board. The red wire of the servo motor is attached to the white jumper wire which is connected to the 5-volt input supply, along with the red wire of the simple wire and with the red wire of the battery which is the positive terminal. The brown wire of servo motor is attached with the brown jumper wire that is connected to the 5-volt input in another socket, along with the black wire of the simple wire and the black wire of the battery which is negative terminal. Now my hand is dry, and when I keep in front of the sanitizer bottle, the IR sensor detects my touch. You can see the water.